So you tried to save money on that family vacation by buying a foam cooler, only you aren't that far into that vacation when that foam cooler breaks. Ooh, well, what are you gonna do in the middle of nowhere? Flex Tape wants to come to the rescue. It promises to be a super strong adhesive that can bond, seal, and repair everything, whether wet or dry. Wow. Feels pretty good. You know when you buy those discount water toys, how you have to punch a hole through the nozzle before you can blow air in, and how easy it is to go right through the plastic? Well, let's see if Flex Tape can fix this one. None of the air is leaking out, so it looks like it worked. Flex Tape says it can be applied cold or hot, wet or dry, even underwater. As always, apply pressure and get all of the air pockets out. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed. This is a ridged surface, very uneven, and the water was flowing out as I applied the Flex Tape and seems to be holding pretty well. Ugh. When utility buckets like this one break, they're really hard to repair because they're made from polypropylene. We'll see if the Flex Tape can help us preserve our bucket. The test I conducted barely scratched the surface of what the inventor of Flex Tape claims this product can do, and yet based upon what I saw, I'm pretty impressed. I'd say it works.